Hello mga madi, so karon na mi diri sa Puerto Princesa na mo pagbalik na magikan og El Nido, and then karon na mi diri sa wildlife chuchu basta taas to siya, in short, Crocodile Park. One of the tourist spots here in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. So nag-decide mi nga mag-stop over diri. Actually gikan mi nangaon, lagi panggutom mi sa long drive gikan sa El Nido. And then since wala mi laing ganap today, kay last din na namo diri sa Puerto Princesa, kay tomorrow flight na naman pauli, so nag-decide mi nga mag-stop over diri para masulit na mo ang time, since na pa man may mga few hours left before sa mo ang flight. So diba, sa mo ni siya guys, manilahang crocodiles diri na gagmay. By the way, naguna mi sa gagmay, and then later maato mi dito sa mga dagko, and then naasad sila yung mga monkey guys, and then katong mga snakes, mga ano, so mo na siya. Oh no.
In the Philippines, there are two species of crocodiles. Ayun na po yung makikita natin, freshwater and saltwater crocodile. Dito. Please follow the rule. Answer. Ingatan lang po natin yung mga importanteng gamit na hindi malalaglag. Once malaglag po yan, for example, your phones, si crocodile na po ang gagamit niya. Ingatan lang po natin yung stick-o. Kasi crocodile na po ang kumain ng stick-o.
Picturean ka ni mama, ha? Hindi ka naman
Out below, these are the freshwater of Philippine crocodile. They're about 5 to 7 inches long. Ito saltwater crocodile, ma'am. Nandiyan po yung ibang pangalan nila sa itaas ko nakakabit. Isa na po yan. Ingatan lang po natin yung stick-o kasi crocodile na po ang kumain ng stick-o.
picturean ka ni mama, ha? Hindi ka naman
Out below, these are the freshwater of Philippine crocodile. They're about 5 to 7
picture
years
with
old.
Makmak. Let's get your picture with Makmak. Tayo ka dito, ha? Huwag kang gagalaw, ha?
Yung pinakamalaki po na daanan na po natin si Makmak, yung 70 feet. Yung pong nasa baba ni ma'am, yun po yung pangalaman. The second biggest saltwater crocodile we have here. Ito po yung adult size ng freshwater crocodile. Babae po yan. His name is Pinay. Pinay is approximately 10 to 15 years old and measuring 8 feet. She's the yes ma'am. Full length na po. Maliit po talaga mga freshwater po. Even male freshwater po. Water crocodile we have here. Yan po ay galing sa Cotabato City, Maguindanao. Actually, sa Pilipinas po may dalawang species. Ito po yung adult size ng freshwater crocodile. Babae po yan. His name is Pinay. Pinay is approximately 10 to 15 years old and measuring 8 feet. She's the biggest freshwater we have here. Yes, ma'am.
May mga ano dyan eh, may mga ano, di ba?
Bay cats. Yun po yung reptile house.
Bira mo, loko dahil. May mga ano dyan eh, may mga ano, di ba?
Bay cats. Yun po yung reptile house.
Reptile.
Hi, come. Hi, come. Next thing you know.
Dito ka lang, oh, yan, oh, di ba, may gilid. That's an albino snake.
Yeah.
Bakit ba albino siya? Ano siya, like Burmese python?
Reticulated.
Articulated.
Dali lang ha, bibidyohan kita ha.
Bear cat. That looks like the one who always sleep. Yeah, the one who always sleep. Like,
Yeah.
did it pay attention?
Yep. He's at least he's awake.
No. Yeah.
Kami na ko ang nagputi mo yung mata, dalong bandi ay.
He's not very enthusiastic.
Mhm.
You're gonna wake up everybody. Oi. Spider web.
Bear cat.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
Look. Yeah, I see. Look there.
Yeah.
Lunch.
What's the name of that one?
I don't know what the name of that one is.
It's worm.
They're everywhere. There.
Black worm.
Huh? Black worm.
This is black.
Really. So original.
Yeah.
Palawan porcupine. We got porcupines back home.
Porcupine.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like rat.
Si Procopio. Naan nagtago rin si Procopio. Maakli din na kay.
Oh, you here?
Merong tuko.
Oh, the tuko. He's gonna poop on you.
It's not gonna come out.
No, they're not gonna come out. Tuko.
Tuko.
You filming me?
Tuko
holding my pencil?
everywhere. Yeah.
Monkey.
Where?
They let one out.
Where?
They let one out.
Monkey.
Birds. Eagles.
Oh, the monkey house closed.
Because I'm here outside.
Huh? See, I told you they let them out. Went on in there. Oh, there's the monkeys.
Oh yeah, my sister. My brother. See?
Hmm,
They're
they
calling
let you
me.
out.
They're calling me.
Why'd they let you
Oh.
Why did they let you out?
Come here. Your brother is here.
Hmm. I'm looking at the rare no-tail macaque.
Ooh.
I didn't know you spoke monkey.
How do you talk to your monkey?
Hmm?
Tingnan mo, oh. Bakit ba mo? Mag-jump, ano na rin?
You didn't bring bananas for them?
It says do not feed.
Hi monkey, say hi monkey. Hi monkey, pick up hi. What?
Hi, Sky. Sky.
Huwag ilapit ang kamay ha. Huwag ipasok ang kamay ha.
Tawag ka ng monkey. Ano sabi ng monkey? Anong sabi ng monkey?
Hindi nakatingin kami. Kumukha ko to.
Ay, what's up? Super sticks?
I'm ready up.